Well, it's a beautiful day, so we thought we would take the dogs to the river. The first trip this year. Oh, let's take a look at them. Here's Ruby, Kim, Jason. Ruby's already swam all the way across the river and back. It took me forever to get there. And clear across the river is Shadow. What you doing, Shadow? And here goes Ruby again. Look at this water, how beautiful. Yeah, it's gorgeous. And this dog. Sorry. Come on, Shadow. Shadow is not sure. Says, I'm just going to sit here in the water. Swam across, now I have to rest. Anyhow, it's a beautiful spot. I'm sorry I was so slow getting down. Get to see them swimming. But it's rocky and stuff, and I just walk carefully. Here's Ruby back in the water a little bit. I've never seen a dog just sit in the water. There goes Ruby. There she goes. There you go, Ruby.
Shadow.
Oh, we got Ruby coming back. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. It's Maria from Still Dreaming Homestead. I want to pray blessings on you and yours, in your house, out of your house, in the day and night, whatever you do. Get out and enjoy some time with your animals. Bye-bye.